Alright, this is an unboxing of a Greenwoorks 1700 psi, 1.2 gallons per minute pressure washer I got for getting this ski. I'm gonna suck all the oil out of that with a syringe, get all that out, maybe crank it up in the front so it flows back. And then I'm gonna degrease it, take everything out, degrease it, scrub on it. I got some scrubbers over there on the wall below the fox head. And I'm gonna scrub it, and then I'm gonna take that cherry picker and lift it up on the front and just pressure wash it out. And put bilge coat on it, and it should be looking real fresh. So I'm gonna do this unboxing here. It was like $105 with tax. Alright, looks like we got like a detergent bottle. That's cool. Alright, hose. It's nice. Seems very not kinky prone. And that's part of the wand. There's the gun. Seems pretty nice. Nice flow. Smooth. Alright, I'm gonna get this plastic off. Alright, here's it all unpacked. So it's on and off. The hose in there. And I got the instruction manual. I'm not sure what that piece is. Maybe the front nozzle to spray. And then the hose. Seems really nice. And the wand, the bottle to go on the wand. And then we get the wand right there. So big, nice, secure. So I'll have to figure out in the manual what it says about maybe running an extension cord or something, but that's pretty long, so that should do me. I'll take that cherry picker out there and pull it into the grass maybe, and put the cherry picker in the front, and then lift the jet ski up on the back of this so it runs out. And I think I'm gonna take that drain plug, unscrew that, and take that out so it's got more flow to get out, but I want to get it real clean, so I might have to do it twice. And I think this pressure washer will do it. 1700 gallons a minute, so I'll try it out, and I'll make a video of that too. So we'll see, and then I'll have a review on it, maybe put it together. Alright, well, I got it all hooked up. Got the wand hooked up. Now I just gotta hook the hose up to that. It's stopped raining for a bit, so I think I'm gonna go out and I gotta turn the water on in the house, and then get that hose over here and try it out. Alright, I got it all hooked up. I didn't turn it on. I just sprayed all the water out of it, the air, and I've got it set on that 40. It says 40 on the right there. I got that plug in there. And then that's turbo. I put it in there. I turn it on. So it's pretty good. So turn it off. Put that plug in there. Turn it on. So it works good. There's no leaks. It works pretty good. So I'll get this jet ski scrubbed with the detergent. I got these syringes, hold about 60 milliliters, and I'm gonna get all that gunk out of there. Probably jack it up in the front so that I can get some more out, and then start taking stuff out of there. Needs new engine mounts, and I gotta take the exhaust, the water box, all the electronics, and the gas tank that's up on the front here, and the oil tank. So get all that out and then bilge coat it. So I'll have an update soon.